Hi Zingers, it's Big Beat again, Stephen Orr. I'm back here to talk to you about the next 3 trading rules that I have come up with over the last 27 years of my life trading. So last time we talked about that having a thesis. And so going right along with that, the next 3 of my trading rules are very simple. Is time is your best friend, don't be greedy, take a profit, and set a goal. So the first one is time is your best friend. So let's say you have been trading into a position and your thesis has changed. Well, we said last time if a thesis changes, then we should get out of a position. But on the flip side of that, if a thesis has not changed and your thesis has remained the same in that position, then time is your best friend. You can actually keep that position. Many people say that they don't want to lose the position that they're in. And sometimes that can be some of the best indicators of where a market's going to go. Look, we're just now passing a new intraday high on the S&P and the NASDAQ. So the thesis here was that the market's still pretty good. Yes, the market pulled back, but time is your best friend in order to get back to the original positions. The second one is don't be greedy, take a profit. I always say this isn't a movie. You don't see people throwing dollar bills and $100 bills in the air. This isn't a movie. So when you have a profit, I always say take it. There is an old adage that you can't go broke taking a profit. Well, the truth of the matter is, yes, you kind of can. If you let your losers get too big and your winners not get big enough, then there's a problem. But a lot of times when you have a winner and your thesis is completed and your ideas of why you got into that trade, take that profit, mark it down, and move on. And then, of course, I always say set a daily goal. Some people that may be $1,000, some people that may be $10, but always have a daily goal. Now, whenever having a daily goal, let's say it's $100, and you don't hit that dollar amount, don't worry about it. Move on. The next day, you don't have to add on what you didn't think you got yesterday, or you don't have to subtract from the next day. Just keep having a goal in mind. Having daily goals, having quarterly goals, and of course, eventually you'll want to have a yearly goal. Now, for my own self, my yearly goal is to make 30% every year. Some of my accounts, we have a crypto account, looking to make 50% this year. But have a daily goal in order to get that. As they always say, to eat an elephant, you have to eat it bite by bite, day by day. And of course, eventually you'll get to that position. If you don't hit your goals, don't worry. You probably will not do it the next day, but you might be able to do it the next week. Maybe the market's been going against you or the market's been going very well for you. Just don't sit in a situation where you're setting yourself up for failure. But make sure that you do have a daily goal. Okay, until next time, we'll see you there.